We're going to begin our assembly, as always, with a prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not to temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Mary, help for Christians. All the house saints. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. What makes us happy and healthy as we go through life? I'm sure some of you will think that it's fame and money. If you thought that, you will not be alone. Every student I have taught knows that I always refer to all of us as belonging to one big family. For a lot of us, family means different things. For some, it's a group of people who are related by blood. For others, it could be friends who have come together as a family. I just want us to listen to a few people, students of St. John Bosco College, and what family means to them.
It means a lot to me. Ever since I was born, they've been taking care of me. I have to listen to them because what would I do without them? And they can't stop taking care of me because, well, because they love me just like I love them too. I also love them more than anything.
Family means love, sharing, respect, security. Listen.
Family means to me that I'll always be loved. Even if I'm sad, there'll always be someone there for me. It means that I'll never go hungry, and even if I have a problem, it will always be solved.
Family means everything to me, like love, support, and security.
Family means that I'll always have someone to share with. Family will mean that even if I do something wrong, there's still going to be someone that cares for me. It also means that I'll never go hungry.
Family means nothing, but it's everything, because without family, you're nothing. Family also means you never get left behind.
My family means a lot to me because they've helped me since I was born and they've been with me for forever. And I love my family so much because they've helped me, and when I get sick, they take care of me. And I just love my family because they mean everything to me, and without them, I don't know where I would be. Like my mom, my dad, my sisters. Like without them, I don't know where I would be. I'm done.
Family means to love people that you know will love you back, and to respect the people that give love to you.
What family is to me is the people who care about you and took care of you through your life. And for me, a family could be a team of people that you love as well.
What is the true meaning of family? The true meaning of family means a group of people related by blood or ancestry. We all know that family is not just by genes, because we have similar genes, or we have a line of genes. That's what makes us family. Family is about love, compassion, support, respect, and understanding. We're going to look at the different types of family in the UK.
The Lord bless you and keep you, make his face shine.
We've looked at what family means to us. We've also looked at the different types of family that exist in the United Kingdom. But what is important is that to have a good life, we need to have a close-knit relationships. Sometimes it can be by blood, but also our friends can be amongst those who we'll call family. What is important is that we need to show ruwa, which is respect, understanding, affection, and humor. We become who we are based on the relationships that we form. We are at our happiest and healthiest when we form secure relationships with others. So having family and friends is extremely important. Yes, some of it may be by blood, but others may be through friendship as well. Good relationships protect our brains. Close relationships are good for our health and our well-being. Those who are able to connect with others, whether it's through bad or good times, are able to be resilient. They're able to have good lives. And that's all we should all be aiming for. Now, one example we can look at is Jesus was born into a family. We can also look at Don Bosco as an example of somebody who was in a family. His family ended up being a single parent family, but they flourished. And he was able to achieve so much. And so in exactly the same way, if we want to flourish and have a good life, it is important that we work hard to form lasting relationships, be it blood or friendship. What we do know is that it's important that in this relationship, we work towards it by always showing respect to one another, by showing understanding, by showing affection, and also humor. Thank you.
The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn